Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create account on MEXC exchange in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to simply download and install the MEXC mobile application in your device from Google Play Store or App Store or from their official website. You can even click on the link that is given down in the description so that you could download it very easily. Now, once you just download this application, the interface of it will look something like this. So if you are a new user, you are going to get an exclusive bonus here in which you can get up to 8,000 USD. So I will put the link of it down in the description. You can use that account in order to sign up and avail this limited time bonus. Now over here on this page, you will see this sign up option. So tap on the sign up option, and over here you will see a bunch of different sign up details, like you can enter your email address, or if you want to create your account with mobile number, you can select that as well. If you select any of the options, you need to provide your password, and then you will see the referral code option. So I would recommend you to add my referral code over here so that you could get extra sign up bonus. Then you need to tap on the option of sign up to claim $20 USD or a bonus, as this will be your sign up bonus that you are going to get. If you want to continue with Google or Telegram, you can also do that as well by tapping on any of these options in the bottom. And this is how you can easily create your account on MEXC exchange in 2025. However, in order to deposit and withdraw your money, you need to verify your account, and I will create a separate video on how you can verify your MEXC account. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell. Thanks for watching.